How to switch between day, week, and month view on Google Calendar. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to switch between day, week, and month view on Google Calendar, then the first thing to do is to launch open the Google Calendar app on your device and make sure that you're logged in with your Google account's credentials. Once you're inside the home page, go to the horizontal menu button at the top left corner to open up this expanded menu. You'll see options such as schedule, day, 3-day, week, and month. Tap the view you want. For example, if you want to switch to 3-day view, here it is. Simply after choosing one of those options, you can easily switch between day, week, and month view. The day view is best for detailed hourly planning. Week view is great for balancing work and personal tasks, whereas the month view is perfect for big picture planning. And that's it. Super easy, right? Switching views helps you stay organized depending on what you need, whether it's zooming into your day or planning your whole month ahead. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.